Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device is unlocked, charged, and you know the exact OS version. Once done, open Settings and navigate directly to About Phone or About Device. This reveals the build number or software info you need. Tap build number repeatedly, usually 7 times, until you see a confirmation that developer options are enabled. You do this to unlock advanced controls while keeping the system stable. So back up any critical data first. You now access developer options in Settings or via the search bar. Make sure the main toggle at the top is turned on. Once enabled, selectively activate USB debugging if you'll connect to a PC and adjust animation scales to speed up interface responsiveness. If you're preparing for unlocking the bootloader, enable OEM unlocking, but understand its security implications. Make changes one at a time and test behavior. This prevents accidental system instability and helps you finish by reviewing each change and rebooting the device to apply settings cleanly. If developer options vanish after an update or restart, simply repeat the build number taps in About to re-enable them. If you experience crashes, networking issues, or odd battery drain, toggle off recently changed options or use the Reset Developer Options command to restore defaults. As a troubleshooting tip, revert USB debugging and OEM unlocking first. These often cause connectivity or security symptoms, then reboot and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.